Psalm 16 verse 11, You make known to me the path of life. In your presence there is fullness of joy. At your right hand are pleasures forevermore. Nehemiah 8 verse 10, Do not grieve, for the joy of the Lord is your strength. Romans 15 verse 13, May the God of hope fill you with all joy and peace as you trust in Him, so that you may overflow with hope by the power of the Holy Spirit. John 16 verse 24, Until now you have not asked for anything in my name. Ask and you will receive, and your joy will be complete. Galatians 5 verse 22, But the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, forbearance, kindness, goodness, faithfulness. Psalm 30 verse 5, For His anger lasts only a moment, but His favor lasts a lifetime. Weeping may stay for the night, but rejoicing comes in the morning. Isaiah 55 verse 12, You will go out in joy and be led forth in peace. The mountains and hills will burst into song before you. John 15 verse 11, I have told you this so that my joy may be in you and that your joy may be complete. 1 Peter 1 verse 8, Though you have not seen Him, you love Him, and even though you do not see Him now, you believe in Him and are filled with an inexpressible and glorious joy. Psalm 126 verse 5, Those who sow with tears will reap with songs of joy. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.